In this video, I'm going to show you how to import videos into CapCut Mobile. So what you want to do is go to CapCut, and there's two ways to really do this. So you could just make a new project. So we could just hit new project, and I'm just going to upload this video here. You'll select it and hit add. And once that comes up, you can X out of here and just see the project, right? So if you want to add more videos into that same project, what you can do here is go into the project that we were just in, and on the timeline itself, you'll see a plus sign at the very far right side here, right by the video, and you can go ahead and add more videos into here. So I can just choose 2 of them and hit add to. That'll take a little bit. And there you go. That is how you would go about adding more videos into CapCut from your gallery, and also multiple videos into the same project as well. As you see me scrolling here, where I have 3 different videos, and they're all marked off from the end to beginning to show you the transitions. And that's how you would do it. It's very easy, very simple to import videos into CapCut. Make sure you guys like the video, and we'll see you next time.